All right, we are about to go inside of a 75K MetaVerse crypto portfolio. This video is inspired by Mr. Paul Barron network. You might have heard of him. It says that you have in my analytics anyway. So, quick thing to note is that this portfolio was achieved with with $15,000 initially invested in the tokens that I'm going to show you today. So if you don't have that much to lose, then you should choose to snooze. And this is not investment advice. So let's get it going. Also, stick around because I'm going to reveal an investment. If you like huge gains fast, then you're going to want to stick around. So the first one on the list that is a 10x token is AXI Infinity. Right now is at 143.97. And this one is the first one on the list in the MetaVerse crypto. All right, so after just a few days, it experienced a 613% increase. If you like to know how to buy AXI Infinity, I strongly suggest that you come over here to the site and get instructions. Do not copy any weird contract addresses off of any sites, okay? Because then you get your wallet drained. So the instructions are on the website. All right, so second one on the list is Alluvium. You might have heard of it. Is at 1,174 right now, up 2.20%. All right, this is another good one inside of the MetaVerse portfolio of Mr. Paul Barron. All right, so it pulled off a 70% increase. Here's the website right here with the instructions on how to buy Alluvium, where to buy Alluvium, how to earn Alluvium, and how to play the games and everything. It's a pretty fun one. Okay, so next on the list, this one is third one, and it's not really a crypto gaming type situation. All right, and it's at 69 bucks and 15 cents, down 4.12% today, but don't fret. Okay, that is not a threat. It still had a 62.41% increase, which is decent. So let me throw in there that, like I said, this is not a gaming crypto. It's more of a storage crypto. So now number 4 on the list is one that I've covered before. All right, and it is the Sandbox crypto right here. I know a lot of you guys heard of the Sandbox. It's currently sitting at $2.88. It says it's down 0.80% though. That's okay. All right, if you looked on my channel, you'll see a little bit more about it in the video, okay? So there's many different aspects about it that will be huge in the future, in my opinion. So it really took off from its inception. It experienced a whopping 220.3%. Isn't that amazing? All right, so here's the Sandbox website right here. You can look around. You can build on it. You can sell on the NFT market. You can buy land, do all type of stuff. It's a game creator. Like, you can create games and sell the games. You don't have to have any coding experience or anything like that. It's super powerful. I actually like the Sandbox, but you guys know me. I'm more of a usage type person. I love like AMP. I like Alchemy, Cody, things like that. Digital payments and things that have the chance to take over the dollar. But as far as getting an increase, getting profit and crypto gains, some of these gaming cryptos are decent, right? Okay, and the Sandbox is one of them. Let's move on. Okay, so next on the list is Polkacity, currently sitting at $1.78. Down 3.41%, but that's okay. Don't fret. Is a reason why we're covering this. Right now, it looks rocky road without the ice cream, roller coaster without the Six Flags seasons past, but it still poured off an enormous 445% increase after just a month in. So what do you guys think about Polkacity? All right, this is the website that you'll go. Look, earn profits by owning virtual taxis, gas stations, and services. Owning things virtually is starting to become a thing. A lot of people are buying land on some of these as well. Okay, so before we move forward, I like to give you something to look forward to. I'm going to show you another investment that could bring you profits in the first week without a pump, and is not crypto. That's the only hint I'm going to give you, okay? And this is the site right here. Partner below to profit a potential 5 to 10K per month in breakneck speeds. Okay, so that's just a little tease right there that I'm going to give you. So now we're going to move on. to number 5. Okay, so after number 10, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what I was just talking. All right, so here we go. Let us get. So number 6 on the list is Engine Coin, and it's currently sitting at $3.22, up 5.47% today. And look at this, man. It's kind of had a little dip, looked like the outline of the mountains, the Appalachian Mountains, but now it's on the rise, and then it's steadying out right here. I don't really pay attention to the daily charts. I pay attention to what's happening on the back end, behind the scenes, and that's what's going to translate over there on the charts as well. Okay, so even though it's lower than the others as far as its returns, it only has 62.21%, which is still something good. All right, you know what I'm saying? It's still decent, right? So let's go over here. So if you wanted to purchase Engine cryptocurrency or invest or earn or trade or whatever you guys like to do, then this is the website to do it. Make sure you stay safe. Like I said, do not copy any contract addresses from any fake sites or Reddit or Twitter. Keep yourself safe, okay? Now, another one of the favorites that I've covered before already and you guys love is Decentraland, otherwise known as Mana right here. All right, it is at $3.30, currently up $1.72%, and it's rocky road with the ice cream. Okay, this time it's rocky road with the ice cream, but it's still not steady yet. These are new, they're in their inception right now, so give them a chance to steady out. Soon they will reach a steady momentum, okay? If they're worth anything, right? Okay, so this one has been causing a stir up in the MetaVerse community with huge pumps lately. The increase on this one was 249% in Mr. Paul Barron Network's MetaVerse portfolio. All right, so next on the list is one of the ones. Oh, before I move on, this is decentraland.org. It has a marketplace, it has a builder, so you can create games, you can buy land, you can do all that extra stuff on here as well as with Sandbox and all of that. So they're pretty much like trying to fight to the top or to the bottom, whichever one you want to look at it like. But Decentraland is definitely one of the top crypto gaming metaverse type situations going on right now. Okay, so but one of my favorite ones, probably because I'm a musician, is Audius. Okay, so Audius is next on the list. Audius is $2.49 right now, and it is up at 1.25% today. And this is what the daily chart looks like. This was one of the all-time highs. I don't know if it was the all-time high. Let me just say, pop. Okay. All right, so that was the all-time high right there. Okay, so it went all the way up, boom. But anyway, it's still doing good right now. It'll level out soon. You might have heard a lot about Audius from the music community. It's actually very unique, although it didn't bring back a very high return, only 29% for portfolio. But let's check out the website. And this is why I like it. Like I said, you know, I'm a musician. You might not have heard anything from me because this is a money channel pretty much, but you can come over here to the site, you can explore and see new trending artists, start listening, you can get the token right here and everything like that and reward the artists, all of that. It's pretty unique. I like it. But congratulations, if you made it to the end, if you made it this far, I am now going to reveal the $1,000 investment that could yield you high returns within 1 week of startup. And here we go. Partner below to profit a potential 5 to 10,000 per month in breakneck speeds. Help rebuild after you know what. Okay, so you can fill this out. You can partner in private yachts, private jet charters, nutritionists, small business loans, private rehab, exotic car rentals, all of the above. But anyway, so you just fill this out and you get 3 business locations. These are actual business locations that you'll have 50% profit share in. 3 business locations for $9.97. And I'm going to show you some of the business locations in a minute, so keep watching. And then we have this one right here, which is 6 business locations, 50% profit share. So you're like, well, David, what are some of the businesses? Like I said, private jet charter, small business loan, exotic car rentals. We haven't even have culinary schools. As you know, I changed the channel name to Anti-Job University, but it used to be F-A-Job University. So let me come over and show you, so you know for a fact that you're not dealing with somebody just making something up. We actually own businesses. We actually do real business, not just talk about crypto on the channel. Okay. All right. So we'll go to Denver private jet charter, and you'll see what is this? F-A-Job. That is F-A-Job. We own that. All right. Then we come to community colleges in Yuma, Arizona. What do you see right there? F-A-Job right there. All right. Let's see. We'll go to Las Vegas Culinary School. What do you see right here? F-A-Job, baby. All right. So you come over here, go to the link in the description, and you can just make a quick investment and you'll get 50% profit share of 3 different business locations we're building out. And these are actual real businesses that are generating students, generating customers, generating sales. So every time a sale comes in, you get paid without having to do any sales or marketing or any of that type of stuff, just partnering. And we'll explain everything. So this is one of the safest investments. I can't give you investment advice as far as cryptocurrency. I'm not your financial advisor, but I do advise you to become financially free using the link in the description that will take you here. This is awesome, and nobody else is helping the investor community like us. So partnering with us, with some experienced marketers and advertisers that are actually rebuilding communities and businesses and everything, and you can get 50% profit share. It's just not any opportunities like that out there. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Go to the link in the description.